What is up, guys? Today I'm coming to you guys from the Mardon Reserve. We came here for the walleye. The walleye bite is kind of slow, but you know, it's always good to be out here. Junior, show me your fish. I'll show them your fish. This is the size of the crappies we've been catching. So I think it's a really good size. I'm gonna show you guys the view, and like I always say, God is good and it's wonderful to be out here. Yesterday we only got one walleye, but you know, I heard and I talked to a couple people and they are saying the walleye bite was kind of slow. It is what it is. Enjoy this video and check out these pictures and check out these huge crappies that we've been catching over the weekend. God bless you all. Stay tuned. Here's the first fish of the day. My Junior got it. Okay, you ready? It looks like a crappie, big crappie. Wow, Junior. So, like always, God is good. It's coming. Wow, look at that one. It's us. Yes. That's Junior. That's a huge crappie. Huge. Good job, Junior. Let's catch one more. Another one. Yes, another. I hope it's a walleye. Oh, Junior got it again. Okay, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Easy, Junior. Grab the seat. Grab the seat. Junior, stop. Up. Oh. A bass. Yes. That is good. Okay, hold it. See? Turn it, turn it. Turn. Oh, nice, Junior. Good job. That's our only walleye today. So far,